Helele, 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 helele. 20 NRM, helele. Museveni, what panini wangi wangu. Or if I could get a chance to breathe, I would say, I boy, your mother. Museveni, what panini. My president, His Excellency Adurong Logo. I want to thank my president, Adurong Logo. Jonywala kumi wawera, edonda iwawera. Jonywala kumi wawera, ekata donda iwawera. So many good things you brought in Uganda. Mine wara wapo yo mate. A lot of.
Yeah, are you ready to welcome the President of Uganda? We are ready. The vision of how we are going to do it when it comes in.
Jonywala kumi wawera, ekata donda iwawera. Them call me Lil Square, yeah. Opachang music, we care. Musei wakazi. Helele, 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 helele. So many good things you brought in Uganda. Mine wara wapo yo mate. A lot of development. Ami wara wapo yo mate. Kusho duogo tie.
Representing the veterans of all of Uganda. Veterans, when you have issues here, is your veteran.
Man go ver concert, okay we vela mama no. Ko le pachokan. Jamara mano te pachokan atware. Kaja ria ya mara ke ngore. Uya. Kwa ndani no. Amani na. Komi bebe dai. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Another. Let's go. Rikashana. Hey yo, let's go.
endelea, 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 endelea. I want to see my president, His Excellency Adurong Lobo. I want to thank my president, Adurong Lobo. Jonywala kumi wawera, edonda wawera. Jonywala kumi wawera, ekata donda wawera. Them call me Lil Square, yeah.
Invite the second national frontier. Say some few words and then enjoy Your Excellency. I have been advised that this is not a government function. This is a party function. So we use the party icon. May I take this opportunity to invite Your Excellency, the Vice President, to deliver our word and later on invite the second national Vice Chairperson of the National Resistance Movement. Emioga is here. Women's Fund, Youth Livelihood, the other special grant for older persons and the persons with disability. We want to thank you. You are indeed, Excellency, a miracle worker because you have performed miracles. The poor can now get something. It is now a joy to be poor in Uganda. But if you take advantage of any government program, you can take poverty out of your area. We thank you, Your Excellency.